What's going on, guys and gals? We are live, we're actually taping from my hobby room. Well, it's not a video about beer, but I thought I'd mention it. Got this stuff in Texas, Shiner Bock. Never even heard of it till I got down there. But I'm drinking a few of these today on my day off. Good stuff. But what this video is really about, remember that old piece of shit? Well, I'm going to take it a step further. We actually soldered this cord into the main power supply, and what had happened, if you didn't see the last vid, is it blew the cap right off. So it didn't really ruin any motors or anything. So I think today, this cord is going to go directly to these wires going to this motor. And I'm not sure what the voltage rating is on that. I'm assuming 12, but I'm not sure to be exact. But anyway, we'll get to work soldering that in. Alright guys, we're going to test this motor and see if it actually works before we even do this. Now, I'm going to hook it up to this battery here. Of course, we'll put the red on the red. And black on black. We'll touch that down. That does work. Now, if we flip the polarity, it's going to spin the motor backwards, which is going to make that go back. Which basically, that's what these boards tell that motor to do whenever it's printing stuff out. Is it just flips polarity as it prints. But anyway, we're just going to set it dead in the middle because I'm not sure how AC is going to react to this, since we're dealing with DC on the low voltage. But we'll find out. Alright, we got our 120 cord soldered right directly to the motor. So we'll see what happens. It's about time. We got it ready. But here at 96.9 The Whip, we do not recommend you try this at home. But if you're dumb enough to try this at home, kind of like I am right now, at least be smart enough to have one of these handy. Alright, let's see what happens here. Dang, I was hoping it'd be louder than that. Man, that wasn't really that loud. I was hoping it'd be like a pop or something. It didn't even move that. I guess being that it was AC, it really couldn't decide what to do since it's a DC motor. But the breaker didn't even pop this time, and the stereo actually stayed on. Alright, we're going to see what happens if we hook it up to this motor. Going to solder to the black and the brown this time and see what happens. Alright, we got the wire soldered onto this motor here, so we'll see what happens on this end. Oh, we got a smoker. Don't know if you can see that or not. Yep, it's the stink of electrical death on this thing. So yep, it's officially fucked. It's done. I looked back at the replays on this, and when that motor right there went, I just love how the smoke kind of pancaked underneath the whole thing. But anyway, that was part 2 of destroying the piece of shit printer. So stay tuned for more vids, and we'll see ya.